A full body energy orgasm feels literally like explosions of the galaxy flooding through you. Feels like waves of ecstasy that are overwhelming. And here's the thing, everyone is capable of having a full body energy orgasm. So I'm Layla. I'm the creator of the Vita Method, a tantric approach to sex, love, and relationships, and I've spent over 10,000 hours teaching amazing people like you how to experience epic sex and legendary love. This quest is going to systematically train you in every tool that you need to master the full body energy orgasm through the Vita Method. In this 18-lesson training, I'm going to guide you step by step through every tool you need to be able to have regular, amazing, full-body energy orgasm experiences. So you'll get to learn how to use breathwork to enhance and expand your sexual pleasure. You'll use mindfulness techniques to be able to have much longer, more intense orgasms. You'll get to develop your own pleasure practice, which will allow you to grow and train your sexuality in a fun and safe space. Finally, we'll put together everything you've learned into a 15-minute full-body energy orgasm practice. You can do it regularly to continue to develop your sexual abilities. I'm Layla Martin, and I invite you to join me on my Mindvalley quest. I'm so excited to start to share with you the real-world tools that will change your entire experience of sex forever.